Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can download and install the Microsoft Teams on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we just need to open first any of the web browser that we have in our Windows. Now let's go open the Edge browser. Simply search for that in the Windows search bar and click on it under the best match, maximize it. In the search bar, simply type Microsoft Teams download. Microsoft Teams download, hit enter. And here you'll find from the official website www.microsoft.com, download Microsoft Teams desktop and mobile apps. Click on that. And here you'll find this option, download Microsoft Teams for Windows. Simply click on that. And the setup file will be downloaded. Now once done, click on it and then close the browser. And now this is starting the application. Now to confirm if it has been installed into our Windows, simply search for Teams in the Windows search bar and you'll find Microsoft Teams as an application. Click on that. Now click on Get Started. So here you have to choose a profile to use. Now I'm going to use my How to Fix Guides, which is my current profile, and maximize this. But if you are not yet signed in into your Microsoft Teams account, just simply click on this icon and then you have to click on sign in. But in your case, if you have downloaded the Microsoft Teams on your Windows, you will have the option to sign in first. And then you have to sign in your account, or your Microsoft account, or your email, or your Hotmail, and then sign in into your Microsoft Teams account. So here you can start chat, Meet, video calls like that for online meetings using the Meet application or Meet option or feature from here. You'll have community, the calendar, your activity, and you also can invite the teams from here. Add your friends, your family members. That's it. That's how you can easily install the Microsoft Teams into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.